Handstanding for May, we've got rotational. So we're getting into the ring, nice dead hang. And from there you can have the knees slightly bent. I like it like that so it's easy for me to set the ring up for people. So from here I've got a hollow body, then I'm going into a side, then into an arch, then into the other side, and I'll circle for 30 seconds one way. Then the other way. Really trying to get that nice dish shape all the way around. And then for the standing, it's just hollowing out, so rounding out through here. Really important that as you come to the side in the extension, your tongue stays on the roof of the mouth. So you're getting that side flexion in, and from here, this is where there's a lot of pressure in the neck. So you want to open out. And you come down and the other way. So you're keeping it nice and slow to really feel the dish on each side as you work around the spine and really try and strengthen each of those segments in all those different positions. Remember not to work too hard in those extension positions, especially the extension and the lateral bridge between those. And if you've got any history of any kind of spinal condition anywhere, be really mindful with it. Don't push the range on it, you don't need to. You still get so many benefits by just challenging that spine and being really conscious while you're doing it and just gradually building up that range of motion. You want to really focus on, even though you're bending forward and side hollowing and arching, still keep that length in your spine. So, and if you feel there's a part that's hinging too much, that's why it's so important with the extension to keep your tongue on the roof of the mouth, because it stops you from just hinging in the neck. Because if you keep that mouth closed, tongue on the roof of the mouth, it stops you from getting as much range through there, but it also stabilizes through the front of the neck. So take your time with it, a minute on each, 3 sets, 6 minutes. And remember, nice smooth reps. Like for rotating, I wouldn't go more than 3 reps in 30 seconds one way, 3 reps the other way. And then for the standing one, you might do 2 each way in the 30 seconds, but no more than that. Keep it nice, smooth and controlled, and really try and feel what your spine's doing so it's healthy for life.